Okay, that's my original stop disc. See how rusty it is? So I researched for a new one that I could replace it. I was researching for a new stop disc because mine is all rusty. As you see, live by the sea, there's a lot of salt in there. I was looking for the original one, but then I came across this one. I thought it was cool. I don't know if it worked, but that was so clever because you can see this goes in it. Look, it's so cool. I like it. And it's smaller, lighter, and you can adjust it, you know, very easily if you do need it. And so let's see if I can do it right here in the beach. If not, I'll go back home. Ah, no, I have to do it back home. I need the wrench to get here and open. So let's go back home. Okay, back home. So let's replace my stop disc. Oh, it's so cute. Check it out. The only thing that stop disc does is hold your Brompton together. So let's put the new one all black, no rust on it.
It's an easy process. You just unscrew it, but hold your reflector with your other hand. So when you take your stop disc out, it won't fall off.
See, it's all rusty. You know. It's great to live by the sea, but, you know, those things happen. So let's replace with this new one. A lot better. Hope it works. So replace is just to fix in the same place. By the bottom. So you fix here on the bottom. That's what it's gonna fix. That's the bolt is gonna fix. This is just an adjustment. Check you. So to fix it, so easy. You have to tighten it, this part here. Okay. Very tight. Because that's what holds your brake light. It's not a brake light, but backlight, and your brakes. So this is very important. And the other one, we just adjust at distance that we need. This one's not really an upgrade, but for me it's a very good one because there's no rust on it. And mine was so rusty. Sometimes it's hard to take it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna put all the way in. so we can adjust. Let's adjust. Okay, before we adjust it, we're gonna tighten it this here. Okay, so the bolts that has to be tight. Oh, did I break it? Uh-oh, it did break this part here. It's just a final touch, but it did break. What I do is gonna so I wouldn't recommend to use it, but I'm gonna try for a while, just see how the rest works, because that part ain't doing anything actually. It just fixed the little here. So let's adjust it. No, gonna tease me. And to adjust, it's pretty easy. Just turn it around and that's it. Yeah, I don't know if this one is a very good one. See? Well, I'll try it, but I wouldn't recommend. Okay, so rounding up. I won't buy the Stopdisk that I bought. I'm probably gonna look for a new one. But this here is so cool. It's so good. I love it. Look, it's so easy. And I forgot to tell you, and to remind you, every time that you put some hinge on, put some grease on also, because it works better. I hope you did like it. If you did, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And if you want to look for new upgrades in Amazon, go to my webpage. Yes, I'm gonna put some grease on here to make it work better, you know. Oh, I love it. Really love this here. Check it out. You just put your finger here and go around. So much easier than the original one. And oh, I like it. But that's personal, you know. Everybody likes different things. Everybody has different habits. So if you did like it, thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe, please, please, please do. Remember to put some grease on your hinges. And have a nice day. Bye-bye.